Hey, it's Dina Colada here from Copywriting Chick, and I want to talk about why I'm making the switch from WordPress to Kajabi. And it's kind of a big deal to move an entire website, but I really love Kajabi because of the platform's ease of use. And one of the things I've struggled with WordPress is creating products and services and adding a shopping cart to the website. It's such a hassle to get plugins and widgets, and Kajabi has everything all included in one suite. So I'm ready to start selling more courses, books, digital products, and services, and Kajabi makes it so much easier. Now, I know the cons of moving a website over can be a real pain in the butt, especially if you have a robust website already. But sometimes if you want to make sales the easy way, it's just worth it. So lucky for me, the website I want to switch over isn't very robust. I have a portfolio, maybe 5 pages, and just a few blog posts on there. So it's going to be easy for me to transition from WordPress to Kajabi. It's not really that big of a deal. Now, I do want to say that I love WordPress. I've used it for more than a decade. I've built tons of websites on it, and it's really great for bloggers, especially. And there are sites like Thinkific and Teachable where you can build courses and membership sites through WordPress. And I've tried different ones, and Kajabi is the most user-friendly. It's great for beginners. They have amazing customer support, and they walk you through step-by-step in their training videos. And I'm super excited for you to watch this video, and you can actually get a free trial for 14 days to try it out to see if you actually like it before you pay for it. The thing that I really like about Kajabi is you can clone website pages that you create as long as it's not in a pipeline. So it's super easy to do split testing. Now, if you don't know what split testing is, it's a way you can test different headlines and body copy and button text to see what gets the highest conversions. And when you have a small business or medium business or even a large business, it can help you increase your bottom line. And another thing I love about Kajabi is they already have a disclaimer, privacy policy, and terms of service templates that you can customize for your business. Now, those 3 things are something so many businesses and people that have websites don't even think about. And it's really important to have the terms of service, privacy policy, and disclaimer, especially if you're going to do Facebook advertising or some other kind of advertising. You want to make sure that your website is super compliant. And you don't have to pay for other emails, video hosting. You don't have to get ClickFunnels or lead pages or Aweber or GetResponse or templates for designs because it's already all included in Kajabi. And another thing about Kajabi is their templates they have for free are gorgeous. You can also host blogs. It's easy for you to build a website with their step-by-step video tutorials. So I'm going to suck it up and I'm going to make the switch. So if you want to learn more and try out Kajabi, you can check out the 14-day free trial. I have a link in the description below. And since I've made the switch, I am never looking back. And again, this is Dina Colada with Copywriting Chick, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And please let me know when you try out the trial of Kajabi what you think about it and if you're ready to make the leap.